Jasper? You scared? Okay, Jasper? Jasper, it's okay. It's a stuffed animal. It's okay. It's not gonna hurt you. It's okay. You're a protective kitty. Yeah. It's okay. It's alright. Oh, it's okay. I'm not gonna hurt you. I'm not a kitty. Look. It's not real. It's fake. Oh my gosh. You really don't like that, do you? You're angry. Jasper, it's okay. What's wrong, baby? What's wrong? It's okay. Yeah, you just don't like that kitty, do you? You don't like it. It's a bad kitty. It's okay. It's a good boy.